Ethical issues in AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries and reshaping daily life, but its rapid advancement has also raised several ethical concerns. Here are the top 5 ethical issues faced today: bias and discrimination, invasion of privacy, job displacement, lack of transparency, and misuse for harmful purposes. These issues not only pose technical challenges, but also have far-reaching consequences for society, cultural values, and financial integrity. One of the most harmful effects AI can have on society is its potential to exacerbate discrimination. AI systems, when trained on biased data, can make unfair decisions, especially in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and banking. This reinforces existing inequalities and harms cultural values like fairness and equal opportunity. Another pressing concern is privacy. AI tools, especially those used in surveillance or data mining, can infringe on individual privacy, eroding trust in institutions. Moreover, job displacement caused by AI automation threatens livelihoods, potentially leading to economic inequality and social unrest. Financial scams and disinformation are other major risks associated with AI. Scammers use AI to conduct sophisticated cyberattacks, targeting individuals and organizations with personalized schemes. Deepfakes and AI-generated disinformation spread false narratives, damaging public trust in media and institutions, and undermining democracy. To overcome these issues, several practical solutions can be implemented. First, AI systems should be designed with fairness in mind, ensuring diverse and representative data is used to reduce bias. Second, regulations need to be enforced to protect privacy, with strict guidelines on how personal data can be used by AI systems. Third, workers should be given opportunities to learn new skills, enabling them to transition into jobs that complement AI technologies. To combat financial scams, AI systems should be deployed for real-time fraud detection. Finally, promoting media literacy and critical thinking can help the public identify and resist disinformation. By addressing these ethical issues proactively, we can harness the power of AI while minimizing its risks to society, cultural values, and economic security. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more such videos.